Hey guys, so today is a great day because Itzy Ritzy Happy Meal came today. So what I wanted to show you was the two new bottle bags that came out with. They are called the Chill Like a Boss bag. And I already have the other four that came out, and so I'll leave a link for that down below. But I am so excited because one of these is one of my favorite prints from Itzy Ritzy. So let's open it up. Fun little pom-pom. Oh, this is what I'm so excited about. The Blush Floral and the Taupe bottle bag. So here is the beautiful taupe. I'll do a closer up after I show both bags. But here with the taupe matches perfectly with their vanilla latte. And I've been using my vanilla latte mini so much lately. I absolutely love that. And then, oh, how pretty. And it has my favorite blush leather trim around it. And this matches perfectly with the packing cubes that they have. And I can do another video if you guys are interested of different uses for these. So let me know if you're interested in that. All right, guys, there are the two new bottle bags from Itzy Ritzy. Which one is your favorite? Was it the Blush Floral or the Taupe?